Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning on how we can enable the secure boot in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that we will be first going to the settings. So please make a right click here in the Windows icon and then go click on the settings button. So once you're in the settings window, all you need to do is just to go to the left pane, and there you will find at the very bottom part the Windows Update. So please go and look for Windows Update. So it's taking for the settings to open, taking a while. So here we have now the Windows Update in the left pane. Please make a click on that, and then you opening this kind of window here. All you need to do is just to go to the more options section, and then you will find there the advanced options, delivery optimization, optional updates, active hours, and other update settings. So once you click on that, you will open again another kind of window. So here we need to click on this recovery option, reset, advanced, startup, and go back. So please make a click on that, and then once you do that, you will be able to see here in the recovery option section the advanced startup. So restart your device to change startup settings, including starting from a disk or USB drive. So please click on restart now, and then you will get this kind of window here. Will restart your device to save your work. So save your work from here, and then click on the restart now button, and then once you do that, you will get a blue window there. So since I can't do that because the moment I do it, the video recording application that I am using to record my screen is going to cut my video. So I'll just say to you on how or what options to click from that window. So once you're in the blue window or the repair window, all you need to do is just to click on the troubleshoot, and then you will find there the advanced options. So please click first on the troubleshoot and then advanced options, and then from there you can click on this option here, UEFI firmware settings. So please go and look for UEFI firmware settings. Now once you have clicked on this one, please proceed with the restart button, and after clicking on restart, you will get there, or you will see there an enter button. So please click on enter, and then once you click on enter, you will now find the secure boot or the boot tab. Please go with the boot tab first, and then you will find there the secure boot options. Now, so once you have already clicked on the secure boot options, you have now already enabled the secure boot options in your device of Windows 10 or Windows 11. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.